Wells were one of the first victims of the floods that struck Cambodia last October. Thousands of poor people couldn't afford to pay for the repair or cleaning of their wells, so they often drank dirty water. This was especially dangerous for young children's health. Well cleaning is very easy.
It's easy just to take out about the tool of the wells, and then we pour the water of the chlorine into the wells. And the process can work, and then we waiting for at least 6 hours, and then we can use with the pump the water out maybe the 20 minutes or the 30 minutes, and then we can use it.
The organization People in Need helped to clean and repair 141 wells in flood-affected areas. In doing so, over 8,000 people again gained access to clean and safe water. The emergency project in Cambodia has been funded by the European Commission for Humanitarian Aid and Civil Protection Department.